Welcome. My name is Orlando, and I'll be guiding you through this Yoga Nidra practice for deep sleep. Before we begin, make yourself as comfortable as possible. Lie on your back. You may wish to place a pillow beneath your knees or a blanket over your body. Allow your hands to rest comfortably by your side, with your palms facing upward if that feels comfortable. Take any final movements your body is asking for. When you have settled, become completely still. There's nowhere to go, nothing to achieve. For the next little while, simply allow yourself to rest. Remain awake if you can. If sleep comes naturally, allow that to be perfectly okay. Take a slow breath in through your nose, and then slowly breathe out. Again, a slow, comfortable breath in, and an easy breath out. One more time, breathing in and breathing out. Allow your breath to return to its own natural rhythm. In Yoga Nidra, we begin with something called a sankalpa. A sankalpa is a short positive intention. It's not something you hope will happen. It is a quiet truth you are choosing to grow within yourself. You simply repeat it gently to yourself, without effort, without trying to force anything. Today's sankalpa is, I sleep peacefully. My body knows how to rest. Silently repeat it 3 times. I sleep peacefully. My body knows how to rest. Again, I sleep peacefully. My body knows how to rest. One last time. I sleep peacefully. My body knows how to rest. Become aware of the surface beneath your body. Feeling completely supported, allow the weight of your body to be received. There's nothing to hold up, nothing to carry, nothing to do, simply resting. Become aware of your natural breathing. Allow each exhale to soften your body a little bit more. Without trying, without effort. With each exhale, body softens just a little bit more. Bring your awareness to your right hand, your thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, your little finger, palm of your hand, back of your hand, your wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, and your entire right arm. Left hand, thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, palm, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, whole left arm. Become aware of both arms resting comfortably. Bring your awareness to your right foot, heel, sole of your foot, top of your foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, ankle, lower leg, knee, thigh, hip, your whole right leg, left foot, heel, sole, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, ankle, lower leg, knee, thigh, hip, and your whole left leg. Become aware of both legs resting completely. Bring your awareness to the back of your head, resting comfortably. The top of your head, your forehead, your forehead is smooth and relaxed. The space between your eyebrows is soft. Your eyes resting comfortably, your eyelids becoming quiet. Your cheeks soft. Your jaw, allow the muscles around your jaw to soften, your teeth gently apart, your tongue resting comfortably. Become aware of your lips, soft and relaxed. Your throat, easy, comfortable. Your neck, allow the muscles around your neck to soften. Nothing to hold, nothing to support, simply resting. Your shoulders, allow them to become comfortable, more relaxed with each exhale, more at ease with each exhale. Feel both shoulders resting equally, balanced. Become aware of your entire head, your face, your neck, your shoulders resting together. Bring your awareness to your breath. No need to change it, simply allowing your breath to come and go naturally. Notice this gentle rising and falling. Each breath becoming a little quieter, a little easier, a little softer. Breathing in peace, breathing out ease. Feel your whole body resting. Nothing needs your attention right now. Your body knows how to rest. Your breath knows exactly what to do. Everything is unfolding naturally. Allow yourself to enjoy this feeling of quiet, of comfort, of peace. Just relax. Returning once again to your Sankalpa, silently repeat, I sleep peacefully. My body knows how to rest. Repeat this 3 more times. Begin to notice your breathing becoming a little bit fuller. Feel the support beneath your body. Become aware of the room around you. And gently move your fingers, your toes. Take a comfortable stretch if that feels good. If your eyes are closed, slowly begin to blink them open, or remain here as long as you like. Take your time. Carry this feeling of ease with you into the rest of your evening. May you sleep deeply. May you wake feeling rested. Namaste.